Stop. Okay. No. I don't know. It's an update. I have my phone back, so I'll be doing lots of more videos and all that. I don't know. I'm sick right now. Yeah. Change my room around a little shit. Snowing out. My dad's out, my mom's here, my sisters are out. I don't know what to do. I got kicked off the game. But once I get Hitman Absolution, I'll be doing a series of them, hopefully. But other than that, shit's all done. Can't wait to be sliding my sled around. I don't have my sled on me right now, but shit, it's just coming down hard. Noodles. Something pretty crunchy. Well, just an update. Be doing more Hitman Absolution. Probably do Sleeping Dogs. I don't know. See what I find interesting. Peace, bros.